Ka school ba North Eastern Hill University ka kharsan tarik risau ar hajar ar pusau kala pri pat ba ya ke Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP nagabanta ban penkiu shaprang ya kinong hikai ki badan sab bat shampang nagabanta ban penyar ya ka pulie puthi haki kerdan bapher Menteri Ketenat Rijingri ke Khubor uba Alexander Lehnohei ula pli pat ba ek program jang ki jat jing pulie ki bakentup nadu ka BA BN bat BSc BN nak banta ka samoi pulie jo usnam ar hajar ar pusau hadu ar pusan haba ajingran hakani ka sngi uba AL hek ula yaro ya kani ka jing sedang bat ka jing jam shakmat ka NEHU haka jing kershan lang ka Ministry of Education ke Sorkar Pedeng uba hek ula batai pensyairu halor ka jing temu jang kani ka program kalong amtang ban penmi ya kinong hikai ki pabiang bat syampang hendrai ban long ru kum kinong syang shnong ki badan ka jingkit kli ya kani ka program ka baharu sausnam ka ai ka jing terwa naga banta ki artili ki kerdan pule ni ka dual major bachelor's degree dak ba penya so lang bat ka subject education harangkat kum ki weipan kum ka language social sciences bat ka mathematics kani ka program ka but thik kat kum ki kandon jaga national education policy ar hajar ar pho dak ba pandit jingmod hakabaya day bat ka rukom ban pensuk ka jingla ban tho bat puli bontli ki jat ktien bat ka jing pendan kam ya ka ktien shnong shu ba hek ulong ba ka kam nong hikai ka de ka kam ka ba baro ki buram hendrai don kamru ka jinglong ka babha ka akor ka buram namar Khlem ka jinglong ka babha long Lehnohei ki kerdan jing puli.
Today, I thank the Vice Chancellor, respected Vice Chancellor, who's a good friend of mine also, and also in his speech, he has mentioned about the student can be exits also can be rejoined. I know I did not be part of that encouragement. So thanks to all the faculties and particularly to our young students, boys and girls, are coming from different part of the northeastern state to get this ITES program or ITES what do you call this ITES course to be studied here in NEHU. But and also especially to our parents. The parents, they are coming from the different walk of life. They are really slugging and also working very hard to ensure to meet the ends of yours. They never compromise at any time of any moment to ensure that they have fulfilled the requirements of their children, of the students who are studying here today. So this 4 years course, I really appreciate the Government of India, Ministry of Education, for introducing this beautiful course, which are going to produce so many teachers in the whole country. I was told that in the whole country, 64 institutions have already granted this permissions, and also one of them is NEHU. I'm really happy to our Vice Chancellor for taking all the initiative throughout your work hard on your initiative will not be able to get this course here in this NEHU. So once again, I'd like to thank the respected Vice Chancellor. So in learning, there's no end of learning. I always mention this, learning is perpetual. Doesn't mean that you have already learned the one course today, one subject today, the learning is ends. But it's always perpetual. There's no end of learning. You have to keep learning and always learn. You have to keep learning all the time. So we are today very happy with this inaugural functions of this new course here at NEHU for the 4 years Integrated Teacher Education Program, ITES. All are the very fortunate students who are getting selected and admissions. And also I'm very happy to know that this selections and this examination is not only in the northeastern states, but it is from the whole country you have been selected. Congratulations for that. But I only want to tell to our students who are already selected and also already admitted for this course. If even the national policy has given some lenient time to you to be exit and also to rejoin again. But don't take this opportunity and never in your life. 4 years we have to concentrate in your studies. 4 years. Not even a day you will be miss your studies. We want this course. The whole country with this course, I'm telling you, we are going to produce not only the good teachers for our country, but a very good citizens of our country. So the teachers are very highly respected. They are not, the teaching job is a very noble job. We wish you also tomorrow, when you will be growing up, you will finish your course from here, you will be teaching for other students. The importance in your life is the attitudes. The attitudes is very important. We want to see you, all of you are with the positive attitudes. You know, when you have the positive attitude, you don't understand where it will take you. It will take you to, you don't understand where it will take you. You will determine your attitudes. Your attitudes will determine your attitudes. Where you will reach, we don't know. But you will determine your attitudes. But therefore, I always stress this. Always remind to our students, young students, boys and girls, and everyone, the important, we have so many things now, we are going to learn the skill here, the teaching skill here. But the important skill in your life is the attitudes. It's called the universal skill. It's a universal skill. The attitudes is very important. Why I'm saying this, the attitude is because we produce a good human being, but not only a good human being, also a big human in our life. So that's why your attitudes is very, very important. It's a very vital. So therefore, whatever maybe you are going to get your certification, you qualify, you become scholar, you become doctorate, you become anybody. But if your attitude is not acceptable, then all your qualifications, your certificate is becoming vain. So that's why I'm telling you, when you have a very good attitude, you don't know where it will be, determine your attitude. So therefore, young student, remember this, part of your, the skill you have, the part of your teaching skill you have your subject skill you have, whatever you have, your studies in your school, in this campus, whatever there. But remember this in your life, that is, this attitude is very important. And also, very important in our life is the self-awareness. Many of us, we are giving awareness to too many people. I'm now also giving awareness to you. But sometimes I forgot my self-awareness. Who am I? What I am doing? What for I came here to study my course here? Did I already have my self-awareness with me?